Alright, hello everyone. Hope you guys had a good weekend. It's Sunday. I'm going to have a start for the week. Now, yesterday I've already posted the swing hours for Monday, plus the swing days for, as usual, gold, euro, dollar indices and Bitcoin. If you're following the swing days, the swing hours and the technical analysis, you should be doing just fine. Nobody has more information than actually what we have, because we've got the swing days from it in advance. Also, we've got the swing hours in advance. Plus, we also know technical analysis, so we've got pricing from the PST. So if you enter trades in the directions that I said it should be going, like with gold, I said buy the low so it can go up. With the indices, I said don't stand in front of it. If it pulls back, you can buy into it because it's going up, obviously. And it went all the way up into Friday, which was actually another swing day, which is just fine. Same with gold. Also on the euro dollar, I said Tuesday was the swing day. Tuesday it made a retracement and then went all the way back up, making a high on a Friday. And Friday was not a swing day, so you should have just followed that up as usual. So no big dramas there at all. Also with Bitcoin, as you know, from the highs, I've been telling you to sell on every pullback because we should be heading into the 50s. So with the swing days, the swing hours and everything pretty much that we're doing with the PST as well, everything should be honky-dory. And next week as well, all we have to do is just follow that around. Same thing. Look out for the swing days. Make sure you're trading on the swing hours, plus when price meets time. Now, from the people that have taken technical analysis and financial astrology, I'm getting good feedback. Obviously, they know what I'm doing and they know what they're doing, so they can relate to the situation. For the new guys who haven't taken any courses but are interested in trading with swing days and swing hours of the day, and plus also technical analysis information, that should also be working fine for you too if you're adhering to price, time, swing day correlation. If not, then obviously it's going to be a bit of a drama, okay? And also another thing is money management. If you're not getting that right, that's also going to be a problem for you. So make sure you get those right. Let me just turn this way maybe. As you can see, I'm in a huge forest. Just saw a fox a few minutes ago. So at the end of the day, just bring it together. Also, next week you'll see that we've got swing days in the beginning and some towards the middle and some after the middle. So if you don't know what to do, how to follow the trade to a specific swing day, then you've got to sit on your hands and wait. Just wait for the swing days. Let it come to your technical analysis level, a PST price, or if you're not using the 8 AM strategy, it doesn't matter. Let it come to your technical analysis level that you are specifically doing. So whether it's, I don't know, support resistance, demand supply, wave analysis, it doesn't really matter what you're doing. As long as you understand your technical analysis, then all you have to do basically is match the swing day to your technical analysis and the hour. Once they match, you can't go wrong, okay? And even if you do go wrong, let's say you screwed up, your stop loss is so tight, it's immaterial. Sometimes that does happen, okay? And that's just how it is, right? But our stop losses are really tight. Also, what you can do to just double check, you can use the U-turn strategies that I provide in the course. So you can just stick it out, wait, and either wait for a U-turn or go down to the smaller time frame, wait for a reaction pullback after an impulse. So either way, if time matches price, you're going to get some kind of motivation there, okay? And if there isn't any motivation by the market there, and you do get stopped out, okay, then it's going to be a small loss. Why? Because sometimes a swing hour, it's actually a trade hour, and I'll rephrase that, a trade hour where the market can also break down. So if, for example, the market's coming back down from, I don't know, Friday, then on Monday you could have a swing hour at the highs, but not as high as Friday, and then it might just break it down. That's also fine. So in that situation also you can kind of push down, which is actually, I had a sell trade, and I don't trade Fridays, but Friday morning I was doing the video and I said, oh, this euro dollar looks like we're going to go down. So I opened 2 positions, one to cover the stop loss, the other one 1 to 3. So the take profit got hit, and after the news the market went the other way, right? So I got it wrong, okay? But the first trade, it took the profit because the market went down enough to cover that stop loss, where I put TP1 on the first trade. And then the second trade didn't get hit, but just, you know, was pretty close because it did a, you know, big down move and then pulled up. In any case, there was no loss, right? But Friday, it wasn't a swing day for the euro dollar, but it was a good intraday try, I'd say. So in any case, if you're getting the trade hour, even if you are wrong, your stop loss is really tight and it should not put a dent in your account. And that is not often. Oh, there's another fox. Wow, quite a bit of foxes around here. That's nice, that's all the way there. Okay, so running around. So basically, if you have no idea where the market is going to go until the swing day, just don't trade it. Just wait till the swing day, let it come to you, and then trade it properly. Okay, that's the only way to trade. The reason that I really got into calculating the swing days and the hours is because you don't want to be sitting around getting really tired in front of the screen. If you have the hours that work in London, New York, and where the market's going to reverse, you can follow the trade for a few days. I had the gold trade open since Monday, and I added a position in on Tuesday. One of the positions got stopped out Wednesday because it made a pullback, and I put the stop forward. In fact, I showed that on Twitter as well. I said, listen, the market's coming down. We should come down for a push and then reverse, like turn around. And that's exactly what they did. At the end of the New York session, we were down into the swing hour. And from there, on Thursday, market went up, and Friday, boom, to the target. Right on the PST weekly, if you recall. So it's just a matter of patience. And sometimes when you move stop losses up, it does come back and, you know, bite you. But if you got the long-term perspective, you can get back in again, because we know the hours. We've got hours, we've got prices, we know where we're going. So, you know, what better day to trade? You know, what better way to trade, really? So, for next week as well, you know, after a good week, after we've been having like good weeks all week, every week, I reckon, it's all good. Next week as well, though, just be mindful that every week, every time you're trading, just match day, time, price. Life is 3-dimensional. This is why I got the PST indicator, because we've got time, space, motion. Okay, so that's the price movement, motion. So if everything's working in 3 dimensions, it's only natural that a price movement should also match space and time. So the move, the space, the time, when it's correlated, when it comes together and it matches your swing day, swing hour, then that's it. That's like a bingo trade. And that's like a trade where you can go in heavy, especially if you're bouncing off a PST level on a weekly, or if you're following on a pullback daily. Those are like really strong levels the market will go at. So check the PST on the price if you're using ATAM, and the PST on the indicator window, and just match them to your time, and you should hit your targets, and you should find also levels at the time that you're trading. So patience is not even a virtue here, because you don't have to sit and wait. You know the day, the hour, the price. So you only have to be in front of the screen about half an hour before that time, so that you can actually do the last minute planning for your original plan and execute at the time. Also, if you're unsure, like I always say, you can use a U-turn or go to the smaller time frame and re-enter on the ABC after an impulse down, which matches the breakout level. That's it. End of story. Have a good week already. Any dramas? Write to me. I had some really good feedback from several people. I'm really happy things are working out for everyone who's in the club. Thank you.